Oh, I wanted to mention that I'm using for the AC meter, I'm using one of the Drock AC digital meter. This is mine. Able to put it on there for storage. This is how it arrives. You buy it. Let me see if I can open it up here. For those of you who haven't tried these, it's a pretty nice little meter. It's made by www.onemeter.com. This is it in the box, how it arrives. Unpack the packaging, and on this side it has marked what it is, an LED 80 AC to 99.9 amps AC. Let's see if I can open that up with one hand. Just want to mention that it does not come with instructions if you have not used one of these, or if you have not seen a wiring diagram for one. It comes with a detachable toroid. I would imagine that's a ferrite core, and basically this core plugs into this green thermal block. And what you do is, on the AC outlet, you'll thread the positive through this, and then feed this wire back to the terminal block. And these positive and negative wires, you will connect that to the positive and negative of the outlet, because you're measuring AC. So to power this, it will take the power directly from the AC outlet, and I would imagine this toroid is to take a standard current measurement. So you have the amps, and these will be used for the voltage, direct connect to the AC outlet. In case you have not used one of these, thought it would be useful to use this to calculate out the length of time, whatever you're plugged into, that your battery will last. Knowing the amps, you should be able to calculate out from the number of amp hours from your battery what that appliance will last, how long that appliance will last, providing that the battery is charging. It's the Drock AC digital meter. Okay, just wanted to show you where I'm at today. I took the outlet apart so I can put in a metering for the outlet. Basically it's this meter here, and this would be just a little test to show that I got the meters and switches hooked up correctly. I just want to show you that. Also, I do not have the controller hooked up. The wires are gone here. I've got still got the foam board. These meters stick out very well, and I've got just a very small compartment for things to hang down, so I've got the meters too far in. So I need to put these on a different foam board, make them closer to the edge, so that they'll fit down into this open area here. Got a fan switch here. Got a switch to the battery voltage, and a switch to the outlet voltage. And just want to show you how that will work. Later on, I'd like to add a switch for the controller and a switch for the inverter at minimum, and perhaps some sort of cutoff switch, kill switch for the entire system for emergencies or whatever, or storage, whatever. So here's the little DC voltmeter. Currently it has about 12.55 volts showing on that. That's for DC current. This would be the AC. Still on board, so the switches aren't in good. But this is for the AC. It does not come on until you turn on the inverter. So let's turn on the inverter. I don't have the switch in, so I'll do it from the actual inverter switch. And to turn on the AC voltage. Now functioning, showing 120 volts, 0 amps because there's no load. So the switches are functioning. Just wanted to show you that. Took a lot of time to wire these up properly. I had to take the outlet apart to wire the outlet meter, and a number of the bigger wires are missing here because I disconnected from the controller here. This controller has a big footprint. I'm using it simply because I like the little display on this one. Don't need an inverter that powerful unless I put a bigger battery in here. I don't plan to put use another sealed lead acid. Next battery will probably be a lithium battery, and a lithium battery that big should be many times more powerful. So for today, just did the switch testing, installation testing, and the meters and the fans. Let me turn that fan on for you. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's basically a switch for the fans. One pulls in, one pulls out. I'll try that, see if it works. These are not very powerful fans. These are very small muffin fans, so don't know how well it will cool. As you can see, the inverter's right up next to the battery. Not a whole lot of room once I get the outlet cover fit in there in that position. So I'm not sure if these fans, these little small little muffin fans, will work for me. That's it for today.